Hey everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a flip through of the 4 fabric paper covers journals that we had made in the last start to finish series. And this is my Artymaze design team project. I used several of her older kits in these journals, and so I will link her below and everything so that if you're interested in one of these kits that you can pick one up. We did these together. I did a lot on my own too. So I'm going to do a quick flip through of the 4. But let me say before I get going that these will be listed in my Etsy shop on Sunday, April 14th at 3 o'clock Mountain Time. I've already done this video once and totally forgot to tell you when they were going to be listed. So there you go. This first one we're going to call Butterfly just because it has the butterfly on the cover there. And so let's flip through. Actually, the kit that I used in this one is called Hybrid Journal and on Artymaze's Etsy store. And I did use some envelopes, other envelopes of Artymaze that I felt went well. And so I have those in a couple of the journals too. Let's flip through. There's coffee dyed doily. There's a beautiful coffee filter that's stamped that I got in Happy Mail. Distress paper, book page, coffee dyed. This filigree card that I put in there. It's so pretty. Tracing paper. Here's the fabric flip in this one. Some altered paper. This is a Crafty Irina pocket with a lot of journaling cards. I'm not going to pull journaling cards out. Just know that the pockets are pretty stuffed. I have this tag that I put on the front of the paper sack, and it's got a little journaling card in there, a little dictionary page. Each journal has Edith Holden pages in it. There's a hanky pocket with some journaling cards in it, coffee dyed. This wonderful belly band. I'm just so pleased with how that came out. And then it's got coffee dyed paper under the belly band. Some doily paper again, a book page pocket with some journaling cards, lace tied in the middle of the signature. Here's the Tiffany stamp pocket, and this is one of the vintage receipts from my shop that I just made a little pocket in the back. Embellished it with one of my doilies, and that's there. This is a little Rita Donnelly flip pocket, and the little envelopes inspired by Lori Girl on the Ridge. Got a little embellishment tucked in there, and then this is from Happy Mail as well, and I just thought it went really well right there. We've got a little pocket with some more tags. The other side of everything. Here is an altered playing card with a journaling card and tag tucked in. This tag has some tatting on the top. Love that. This is a vintage envelope from my shop that I've just put a tag in that I made from some leftover paper. Then this is the other side of the card with this little sweet girl and her glitter, and a little cluster tuck spot here with some coffee dyed paper again. The other side of the book page. And then this envelope is a little tuck spot for a little tag made out of the leftover fabric paper. Here's the other side of the coffee filter. And then a few things to play with in the back pocket. So that one is Butterfly. Next up, we have, this one is from the same kit as far as the pages on the inside. And this one I'm going to call Hybrid Rose, just to distinguish it from the other. And again, I have one of the beautiful envelopes from Artymaze in the front pocket. A book page pocket here stuffed with goodies, and flips out. This is a vintage envelope from my shop that I kind of decorated up, put a couple of tags in on each side. It's just wrapped around the page there. Another stamped coffee filter, and then the distressed paper. Again, the beautiful belly band. Here's a fabric pocket with, again, a tag from Happy Mail. Little cluster that has a journaling card there on the front of the sack. Some coffee dyeing. Crafty Irina pocket. Once again, here is one of my vintage receipts, and that's tucked in, been decorated and tucked in. The altered paper, coffee dye, and the middle here we just have some lace. The altered playing card with journaling cards in the back. In the front of this sack, I have this little file folder for journaling, but it's also a pocket in the back. Here's the fabric flip in this one. The envelope with the extra fabric paper tag. The coffee filter and dictionary page. Tiffany & Company pocket in this one with some journaling cards again. And pocket on this beautiful coffee dyed paper, and then goodies in the back again. So that one is Hybrid Rose. Then we've got, this one is the Poppy Sunflower. So let me make sure I'm kind of in frame there. In the front pocket of this one, I have a collage tag that I did, and I stamped "This Book Belongs To" on the back in the front there. And Tiffany stamp, and again the vintage receipt that was altered, decorated, whatever. Doily, distressed paper. This is a little journaling card that I made into a pocket on that bag. Altered playing card once again with some fun things tucked in the back. This is a cluster that has a little envelope from, I think that's from the Sunflower kit. So 2 kits used in this one, the Radiant Poppies and the Sunflowers. The hanky pocket stuffed with goodies. An altered paper clip that I got in Happy Mail and added to this one. Here's the Edith Holden in this one. And the middle of the signature. The vintage envelope stuffed with goodies. Here's the fabric flip in this one. Pocket with tag. Book page pocket stuffed with all sorts of things. And here's the belly band in this one. And there is one of the Poppy envelopes that's just tucked over the side. One of my vintage trims, the Small World trims on this bag. And envelope, and one of the beautiful sunflower envelopes, and there's a journaling card in there from Artymaze. Here's the Crafty Irina pocket with some goodies, some of my trim from my shop. And then some goodies to play with. So that's poppies and sunflower. And then last but not least, we have Precious Moments. I should say too, all of this beautiful sari silk came from Victorian Gypsy Girl on Etsy. Okay, so then this one, I put this little bag in that I received in Happy Mail. I just popped that in there. I loved how the story went with the pen and the writing and such. So that's in the front pocket. Here's the Tiffany pocket stuffed with goodies. This flips out, but it also has a little pocket here under this little that's actually, I think, Edith Holden paper, maybe with that over the top. This is just a little collage piece that I had done that I added to this one. And on the other side is the vintage envelope that this particular one I made into a pocket and put some goodies in there. Some old ledger paper from 1942. Here's the altered playing card stuffed with extra journaling space. The book page pocket, full up too. And here is the belly band in this one, in Precious Moments. This one has the little girl card. That was a Happy Meal. That's going in there. And some of the beautiful doily paper. That is, oh, it's Deborah's Paper Crafts, I think, is the name of her shop. I'm looking at my cards. I don't know if I can find it quickly, but anyway, if you need to know for sure, I can just maybe answer in the, let me just look, because I need to give her credit. She makes beautiful papers. Deborah's Paper Designs, not shop. Deborah's Paper Designs on Etsy. Okay, this is a vintage, or is a paper clip that came in Happy Mail, and I did one of these seed pockets. I collaged on it. Some tatting in the middle. Here is a fabric pocket filled with stuff. And the other side of the bag. Cluster pocket here filled with things. Here's the fabric flip in this one. Again, that ledger paper. Here is the envelope in this one. And then there is an altered vintage receipt in that one from my shop. And then this is the Crafty Irina pocket. And then a few things to play with in the back. And this, again, is Precious Moments, the Precious Moments kit by Artymaze. So there you have it. Oh my goodness. We worked hard on these 4 journals, didn't we? So as I said, I'll get those listed in my shop on Sunday, April 14th, 3 o'clock Mountain Time. And hopefully that will be good for the people who would rather have me be listing on the weekends. So there you go. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. It was really fun to get these finished up, and now I feel like I can make all sorts of ephemera and things because I've cleared out a little bit. Thanks everybody so much for watching and for all of your support, YouTube and Etsy. And I will just see you in the next video. Bye-bye.